this is how you can earn $10,000 a month, working just 4 hours a day by blogging. Now you can either start blogging for yourself, or you can use your blogging, your article writing skills and outsource it and be a freelancer. And you even have the potential to earn in millions. Trust me. The only thing you need to do is follow these 7 steps to grow as a blogger. And moving straight to the first part of the video, the first thing is engaging hook and storytelling. Now what is engaging hook? Let me show you. So this is one of the articles that I wrote. And this article starts off something like, the human mouth is rather an egocentric entity that yearns to exploit only the finest flavors. Now, I could have written something simple like, pizzas are something that people love a lot and that is popular worldwide. But this is simple, right? This sentence is very simple, ordinary. It's something everyone can do. And since we are blogging, we need to do the best. We need to find something that is captivating. So this line is, the human mouth is rather an egocentric entity that yearns to exploit only the finest flavors, is kind of, engaging. It's something unique for people, It says that the human mouth is something that only wants to have tasty food, that only wants to, have the finest flavors in dining, And it's in fact true. We as humans, we only like to have the most delicious food items, and that's true. And this covers the storytelling as well. This is an engaging hook in itself, but it's also telling a story that the human mouth just wants, tasty food items, right? So make sure to do this, because if you do this, if you are able to hook the audience, it is a high chance they will read your article from top to bottom. The second thing we will focus on is semantic and keyword optimization. Now, what is semantics? Let me tell you another example. So semantics are basically synonyms or words that are related to a word. In the context of blogging, we want to find semantics that are related to the keyword. Now in this article, you can see that the keyword is TikTok marketing strategy 2025. Now, what can be something that is similar to TikTok? What is TikTok also called? It is a Chinese platform, right? So TikTok can also be sometimes called as a Chinese platform. So because of which I've incorporated the semantic Chinese platform. Likewise, marketing. What can marketing also be called as? It can be called as advertising. And that is exactly why I've included the word advertising and advertise here, right? So semantics basically mean words that are synonymous or something related to your keyword that helps add in more flavor, more in-depthness. This also helps you rank good on Google, because these are also keywords, these are also related keywords. So when someone types or searches advertising, your article might show up, right? So this is important. And incorporating semantics also does the keyword optimization for you, because you have a lot of keywords. You have advertising, you have marketing, you have Chinese platform, you have TikTok, So keyword optimization is also done. The third thing we will talk about is internal linking and external linking. So I will take you to the same article. In the bottom, you can see that these are some links, What are these links? These are internal links, meaning these are articles that I wrote for the same website as this article, the TikTok marketing article, and I've linked it, meaning when someone clicks this article will open up. These are all the articles of the same website. That is why it is called internal linking. Internal linking is very helpful, because when a person reads your blog, they can access more of your content. Your website has more exposure, and this also helps Google understand that you are giving quality contents, making your blogs, your websites overall rank better. Now, what are external linkings? External linking simply means that, let's say I wrote a word with this video sales letter here. So I was writing this article and I wanted to, tell about video sales letter. So what I did was I, visited a website that explained about video sales letter. I took the link and I mentioned it here. So when I click this, the website opened. And since this website, HubSpot, is a really well-renowned top website in the world, since I have mentioned this website, I have linked this website's link in my article. My article also becomes more, better. It becomes more authoritative. It becomes more relevant because I have the link of a well-ranking website. So this is why external linkings also help your blog become better, rank better, and earn. You can earn more as you rank up because you will get more more paid ads in your website, or you can do this for a client. You can get them their dream result and you can earn more. The fourth thing is Google Trends and FAQs. Now, Google Trends is a website that shows you what is trending on Google, what people are searching on Google. So in our context of TikTok marketing, what you can do is you can type TikTok in the Google Trends search section, and you can see what people are searching related to TikTok. For example, it could be Donald Trump and TikTok, because it was something that was trending a month ago. So now you can take this word, Donald Trump TikTok, and you can include this in your article, somewhere in your article, so that when a person searches about Donald Trump and TikTok, your article can show up. This is a very clever way to use keywords. Second thing is frequently asked questions. Now, frequently asked questions you can find at Google. You can simply search the article, and you can see these are the questions people are asking. These are most searched questions. So you can take this, you can copy this, and mention in your article somewhere. This also helps you rank better. Now, the fifth point is relatable article sync and high-ranking article analysis. Now, what this means is when you start writing blogs, you will write 3, 4, 5, 6 blogs. You start off with at least 10, 11 blogs to get exposure, right? So what you need to do is you need to find articles that are related to, one of your articles. For example, in this TikTok marketing strategy, I could write another article, like TikTok Trends 2024. Let's say I wrote an article in 2024 about TikTok Trends. And if that article is performing better, what I can do is I can simply mention that article as an internal linking. Remember what we're talking about? Internal linking. We talked this before. You can incorporate this as internal linking somewhere in the article, so that since it is a highly ranked content of yours, a high performing content, this particular content of yours also becomes somewhat high performing because you have mentioned one of your articles that is doing good on Google, right? So this is how relatable articles sync. Simply means, I'll explain it again, simply means mentioning or putting a link of the article, another article of yours that is ranking better, so that your current article also ranks better. Second is high-ranking article analysis. What you can do is you can visit your competitors. Let's say this is a blog from HubSpot. You can analyze these, how their writing styles, how they write, what kind of images they include, how do they start off paragraphs. You can just simply analyze the high-ranking articles, take notes, and implement in your next article, next blog. The sixth thing we will talk about here is Google Search Console's recommendation and queries. So this article, TikTok marketing strategy, right? This article, I have opened its Search Console here. You can see this is the Search Console. And for this article, what Search Console has mentioned is the top queries that people are asking related to this article is TikTok marketing in Nepal, TikTok marketing strategy 2021, TikTok ad coupons. So what I can do is I can take these queries, and mention and update my article, and update something in my article. I can mention these words somewhere around here. I can play with the words. All you need to do is mention these top queries in your article, because these are being searched. And since these are being searched and these are included in your article now, there is a high chance your article ranks better and higher. This is the power of Google Search Console's recommendation and queries. Now, the seventh thing, and one of the most important thing, is greater watch time and easy navigation. Meaning only when your website is aesthetic looking, meaning it's not jumbled up, it's not like frizzy, it looks neat and clean. Only when it looks neat and clean, it pleases the eye of the reader, your blog becomes something that is pleasant. Now this leads them to read your article, your blog from top to bottom, and not just that, there must be easy navigation, meaning if they want to read another blog in your website, they must easily be able to access. They must have the section, they must have the option of easily navigating to another blogs, or maybe going to your homepage or reading about your services. The navigation must be easy. These are all you need as beginners, to maybe earn your first $1,000, first $10,000. If you follow these tips, I'm sure that you will do wonders in your blogging journey. As always, follow these 7 steps to make sure you are on top. And remember, I'm rooting for your success.